This AI animation niche is exploding right now. Tiny ants are building entire civilizations, fighting wars, and surviving like real armies. These videos are easily hitting millions of views, and some channels are already making over $10,000 per month. And the best part? The creation process is incredibly simple. It took me just 10 minutes to learn this method, and all the tools used are completely free. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create these viral videos using just 2 free tools and fully automate the entire process, so you can create your own viral content too. First, storyline and image generation. Go to Google.ai Studio. It's free and has no request limits. Unlike ChatGPT, it can analyze videos frame by frame, which is exactly what we need. Copy any viral YouTube video link and paste it into the platform. Then enter this prompt. The AI will analyze the style, story, and structure and understand exactly what you need. Next, it will generate a clear, step-by-step storyline. Then tell the AI, each scene is 8 seconds long, and we need to generate 23 shots. You can adjust the length yourself. In my case, I set it to 3 minutes. Since VO 3.1 generates 8-second videos, we need a total of 23 shots. Wait for the AI to generate all 23 scenes. If the story looks good, we can start. Type Shot 1. It will generate the first image prompt. Copy it and go to the second tool, Flow. Flow is also free. You can activate a 1-month trial and use it without paying. Select image generation. Settings, 16:9 resolution. 4 generations for more options. Model Nano Banana Pro, the best version. Paste the prompt and click Generate. In a few seconds, you'll get high-quality images. Choose the best one and download it. Go back to Google.ai Studio, upload the image, and wait for it to generate the video prompt. Copy the video prompt and open Flow. Select your image, click the 3 dots, select Animate. Settings, Mode, Video, Aspect Ratio, 16:9. Generations, 1. Model, VO, 3.1 Fast. Click Generate and wait a few minutes. Check the result. Then type Shot 2. This time, you don't need to upload an image. It will automatically generate the video prompt. Repeat the same process until all scenes are completed. If any image or video doesn't look right, just modify it with new prompts. Final step, editing. Download all animations. Open any editing software, CapCut, Premiere Pro, etc. Import all your videos. Place them on the timeline in order. Trim any glitches or unnecessary parts. If there's a watermark, just slightly zoom in to remove it. Background music is optional. VO 3.1 already generates sound, but you can add your own if needed. Export in the best quality. Final result: a fully automated, story-driven ant war video. Do you want to create viral videos like this? And grow your YouTube channel fast? Comment below, what story would you create? Like and subscribe. And I'll show you more AI viral content strategies.